Hi Professor, my name is Manish Chand and my Seneca student ID is mchand8. So I'm going to show you what I did in the lab 16, which is configuring sites. So in this lab I had 4 exercises. So before I begin I would like to say that I use the RWDC, which is my domain controller for the whole lab. And now I'll start with exercise 16.1. For that I'll go to my snapshot 16.1. On this exercise I was asked to add a site and a subnet to Active Directory, and after that I'll be moving a domain controller from one side to another side. So for the first part, as you can see, I'm on the Active Directory sites and services. On here I have added a new subnet, which is 192.168.109.0/24. So this concludes the first part, which is the adding subnets. And now I have to move a domain controller from one side to another side. So for that, the domain controller was on my default first site name, and I moved it from default first site name to my corporate. So which is, as you can see, it's moved. So this basically concludes exercise 16.1. So I'll be moving to exercise 16.2. So for that, I'll go to my another snapshot, which is exercise 16. Which is named is 16.2. On this exercise, I'll be creating a bridgehead server. So for that, I went to Active Directory sites and services. On that, I did go to the RWDC 109 properties. As you can see, the two I two bridges are selected, which is IP and SMTP. So this basically concludes my part for the exercise 16.2. Now for the exercise 16.3, I'll go to my different snapshot on here. So in this exercise I'll be creating a site link. So for that I'll be going to the Active Directory sites and services. As you can see, I'm already inside that. On that part, I have to expand the sites. On sites, I'll be going to inter-site transports. On that, I have to if I go to IP and like add a new site link. So I've already added the site link, which is named as set link bridge. So this is set link bridge. Yeah, this is, as you can see, this is for the exercise 16.3. And for the last part, which is basically modifying the replication interval and replication schedule, I'll go to the last snapshot. I'll go to on here. As you can see, I have set the replicate every to 60 minutes. So it's for the cycling bridge properties, and I see there is a replicate every in 60 minutes. And when I go to the change schedule box, as you can see, it's already changed from Monday 10 a.m. through to Friday 2 p.m. with a ask to do us on the lab. So this basically concludes my exercise. So that's all for my lab. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Thank you, Professor.